Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and today we're looking at a custom piece which I've made for a YouTube channel here in Australia. Even though this is a custom piece, this will be for sale on the various links down below, so have a look at that. It'll go up for sale probably tomorrow once I take some photos and all that sort of stuff. What it is, it's an open garage. It's an open 1/64 scale, but it's very large, sort of upwards. It's large enough to put hoists in there and all that sort of stuff. How it comes, it's a flat pack, and it's it all just clicks together. Although I do recommend putting a spot of glue if things don't really hold tight. But you don't have to. There's no glue on this, you know, so it's sitting quite comfortably here. As I say, it comes as a flat pack, so you have a front, you have a side, you have a roof, you have a one-piece back wall, and you also have the right-hand side. You'll notice here there's a recess in here to put your logos in, and the same with the front. It's all recessed, so the logos will sit in there quite nicely. I will give you the dimensions for that when this goes up for sale, and I may even have stickers ready to go by then. I'm just not too sure. What else do you need to know about this? These windows pop out on either side, and also it's in a light grey colour, and the reason I've done this is so you can paint it yourself. You know, you might want to take the windows out and paint those a different colour rather than me printing out colours for you. And same with the roof, and you know, just the same with the back walls, and also the sides here. You may want to spray paint those differently or paint them with whatever paint you have. So that's the reason why this is being produced in this light grey colour. Anyway, just a quick video on this custom piece. I'm wrapped with it, and I think it would be a great accessory alongside your track. And let's just have a look and see how these go on there. So these are the Hot Car Track hoists. They're on their full height, and obviously you can just put some cars in there. And grab this old banger. This one's seen its racing days. And how cool would that look with some other workshop diorama in there? So there you go. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.